Glass is everywhere. Windows, phone screens, even your morning juice glass. Yet we often overlook its magic. This transparent wonder starts as simple sand, transformed through heat and engineering into a material both strong and fragile. Glass connects us to the world, reflecting our image and letting light into our lives. From ancient origins to modern marvels, glass is a testament to human ingenuity. It builds skyscrapers, helps us see the stars, and carries information globally. Next time you look through a window, see the fire, science, and history within. Let's explore this remarkable substance and uncover its hidden magic. Glass, an amorphous solid, is a frozen liquid with atoms in disarray. Made from silica and sand, it melts at high temperatures and cools quickly to form glass. Its accidental discovery dates back to ancient Syria, around 5000 BC. Merchants cooking on a sandy beach found shiny stones, early glass, after a fire. Egyptians mastered glassmaking by 1500 BC, crafting beads and vessels. Romans revolutionized it with glass blowing, making glass accessible. Early glass was cloudy and impure, but laid the foundation for future innovations. The journey from ancient glass to modern skyscrapers began with these early efforts. The float glass process, invented in the 1950s, revolutionized glass production. Factories run non-stop, producing flawless sheets of glass. High-purity silica sand, soda ash, and lime are mixed and melted in a massive furnace. The molten glass flows out as a continuous ribbon, ready to be shaped. This process produces hundreds of tons of glass daily, enabling modern architecture. It's a testament to engineering, transforming sand into perfect sheets. This industrial marvel makes our glass world possible. The furnace is the heart of the float glass process, turning sand into molten glass. Inside, intense heat melts the raw materials into a bubbling, frothy liquid. Engineers choreograph this fiery dance, ensuring a perfect melt. Bubbles rise and escape, creating a clear, uniform liquid. The molten glass flows out, ready for the next stage. This glowing ribbon of liquid light is about to be transformed into flat sheets. It's a slow, deliberate process, creating perfection on an industrial scale. The journey from sand to glass is a testament to patience and precision. The float bath is the genius of the float glass process. Molten glass flows onto a bath of molten tin, creating perfectly flat sheets. Gravity and surface tension ensure uniform thickness and smooth surfaces. The glass cools and solidifies, then enters the annealing layer. Controlled cooling removes internal stresses, giving the glass strength. Automated machines inspect and cut the glass into sheets. This process creates the transparent skin for our modern world. In artisanal studios, glass is shaped by human hands and creativity. The process is about creating unique individual pieces of art. Artisans gather molten glass on a blowpipe, shaping it with simple tools. They blow into the pipe, expanding the glass like a balloon. The cycle of shaping and reheating continues until the piece is complete. Color and patterns are added, creating stunning, one-of-a-kind objects. The final piece is cooled slowly, ensuring strength and durability. Industrial and artisanal glassmaking are two different philosophies. Factories produce vast quantities of uniform glass, focusing on efficiency. Artisans create unique pieces, guided by skill and creativity. Float glass is used in architecture, while artisanal glass is valued for its beauty. Industrial glass is affordable, while hand-blown glass is a luxury. Each method has its place, reflecting different values and purposes. Both contribute to the rich history and future of glassmaking. Glass is a material that bridges the gap between function and art. Glass is full of surprises and contradictions. It's not a slow-moving liquid. Medieval glass was uneven due to imperfect techniques. Natural glass forms from lightning strikes and volcanic eruptions. Glass is strong in its pure form, but surface flaws create weaknesses. Toughened glass is stronger due to compressive stress. Glass elements are ancient, forged in stars billions of years ago. Sand is stardust, and glass connects us to the universe. We reshape ancient elements into something new and beautiful. Glass bridges the natural world and human imagination. It transforms from sand to a transparent, extraordinary material. The dual nature of glassmaking shows its scientific and artistic sides. Glass helps us see the invisible, from cells to galaxies. It connects us in a global network of ideas. Glass is a silent storyteller, a key to our future. It protects, connects, and inspires us, revealing magic in the everyday.